How to completely sign out or log out of Gmail account from your laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can completely sign out of Gmail account on laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to go and open up Gmail in your laptop. And if you're logged into your account, now if you want to sign out completely, navigate to top right corner, then you have to click on the profile icon. Once you click on this, here in this pop-up box, you will find all of your accounts that you're currently logged into Gmail. And under that, there's an option to sign out of all accounts. Here, if you want to sign out of one of your account, then you have to sign out of all of your account. So this is the only option that you have on Gmail to sign out. So click on sign out of all accounts, then you'll be signed out of all of your account. And once you land on the login page, if you want to remove your account, there you'll find an option to remove your account from the device. Select the account, then go for account remove. That's it. That's how you can log out of Gmail on laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.